Hi, let me show you how to adjust the text size on iPhone. For that, we need to start by going in Settings and scroll down till you can reach this section Display and Brightness. Now, just select Text Size and you will see this slider for adjusting text size on your phone. So, if you want to make it smaller, for example, then you need to drag this white dot to the left side, and with each swiping left, text size will be smaller. This is the smallest option. Let me show you how it will look in Settings. And also, to make it bigger, just drag this dot to the right side. And this is the biggest option here, but we can make it even bigger in accessibility settings. So let's go in accessibility, pick display and text size, and now you can find this option larger text. And to be able to use it as a first step, toggle on the switch. And now drag this dot to the right side to make the text even bigger. And this is the biggest option possible. So also what you can do here is you can go back in Display and Brightness, then scroll a bit down and choose Display Zoom. Now you can pick between default and larger text, and this will also increase text as well as your home screen icons, like in my case, and settings layout. So let me show you default option. As you can see, when we are switching between options, it will like soft reset. And this is default options. This is how it looks in settings. But to make it larger, tap larger text, tap down, tap use zoomed. And in a few seconds, you should notice that icons become bigger as well as settings layout. And additionally, you can enable this feature bold text to make your text more visible. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.